So now I would like to invite Mr. Samir Bomzam, International ISA Coordinator, for his part of speech.
Thank you, Diti ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I'd like to thank our students from South City International. And to be specific, I've noted down their name also. Once again, I'd like to call out the name, okay? So as I call out the name, I would be very happy if our children, whoever are watching here, and teachers also, to just give, thumbs up or, clap or heart, because they've really presented so well and we've learned a lot, although the project was almost the same, but the way they presented, has given us a different insight. And it's really wonderful. So I'll be calling out the name. So please give thumbs up, claps or, high five to all of them, okay? So first, the dynamic Arya Sarkar, who's from grade 8A. Thank you, beta. Then Ritom Sen, who's another dynamic boy from 8A. All right, big hand. Devraj Gogoi, yet another smart student from grade 8. Okay, then we have Saurya Kar. I'm sorry if I pronounce it incorrectly. Priyanka ma'am, how do you call his name? Sauryatra?
It's Chauritra, yes sir. Chauritra.
Chauritra Kar, okay. He's from grade 9C. And then we have Divan Gupta. Is that correct? Divan Gupta or Devyan?
Dhwani Gupta.
Dhwani. Okay.
Then Sroyosi Kaur, big hand. Okay. And last but not the least, Sohan Banerjee from 9C. Wonderful presentation. And we learned a lot from your presentation. And I hope our children also learned a lot from your presentation. And we also do hope that from our simple presentation, you have also learned a lot. And please get ready for the next 2 activity. Priyanka ma'am, giving you loads and loads again. So do not run away from us. Our ties should become stronger. It's been, almost a year since April 2020, we started with Yamuna ma'am, communicating with you and class 5 presenting, and then the journey began. Now we are doing with seniors. So this is not the end. We will continue. So children of South City Internationals, that was a wonderful presentation, but please don't run away from preparing the sanitizer, right? The rest of the activity. Because you've already done, the survey is almost done. I think 81 responses we have received, but more if you want to. You can involve your parents also if they want to, add in their inputs. That'll be a wonderful evidence for us for British Council. And please do that. What was the second one? Groom your room. Okay, for Groom Your Room, I would like to take this platform to request our Suraksha to switch on the camera, let the people know who you are, okay? And please subscribe to her channel, okay? It's already uploaded in YouTube. She's running a YouTube channel, a simple one. This is by way of, encouraging them to become digitally aware, digital literate. And Suraksha, I know you're there, and she's a bit, yeah, she's there. Where are you? Suraksha? Can you switch on your camera? I can see. Yes, yes, he is. A big hand for Suraksha and the team. You had a lovely cinematographer. I think that was your brother. Was that your brother?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So by way of, introducing Suraksha, I would like to encourage students of South City International also to work on Groom Your Room. You can use any media, any platform. You don't have to make exactly like that, but please share us your learning of Groom Your Room also. Okay. Now, with regard to the third one, which is preparing the sanitizer, you've seen that. Thank you, Suraksha. You can switch it off now. Okay, thumbs up to you. You will get a lot of subscribers now from Calcutta. Okay, now for sanitizer, I would like to request our science teacher there in South City International. It's not a compulsion, okay, because I know there are parents who are very skeptical about the composition, but we were very safe. As you saw, we used the organic ingredients like aloe vera and all that, but the effectiveness of that depends on how you use it also. Deepti ma'am is still using one of them.
Yes, I have.
Deepti ma'am, can
And
you
I'll
show
bring
your
it, sir. I'll bring
Yeah.
it, sir. It's in my room.
Yes, she's still using the one composed by one of our students. Many of them made it, and I hope through this activity, through this learning, we've learned a lot. I hope that you have also learned a lot. South City International also, and then the sharing goes on and on. So a big gratitude to our principal from South City International, Dr. John Andrew Bogle. He's a nice gentleman. I know when I met him for the first time, when we interacted with grade 5, he was there and we spoke for a brief moment. But this time I came to know that he's busy elsewhere. There you can see Dipti ma'am showing that bottle.
It
That's
is made by
prepared
Nishtha
by
Parazuli. She
Nishtha
added
Parazuli.
here this essential oil also, so that that sometimes the smell also come. It will last for longer if we add essential oil.
Okay. So yeah, we believe in what they have done, and but selling the sanitizer we stopped. We only sold the mask, and we were very lucky. For a brief moment, we opened the school, and that was the time we distributed the report cards of the students, different classes, different grades, and that was the opportunity for our business team, Dipti ma'am's business team, to sell, and we managed to collect at least 6,000 plus, and our children, the company We Care is actually run by our children only. They are thinking of using that money for a better cause now, still there. And the banker is Dipti ma'am. So she's keeping the records with her team. Okay. So a big, again, namaste, thank you to Dr. Bogle for giving us this opportunity to communicate, to keep ties with, dynamic people like Priyanka ma'am, Arjita ma'am, and the gentleman there, I am forgetting the name again, the science teacher.
He's Ritvik sir. He's Ritvik sir, our art teacher. Yes, Ritvik sir, our art teacher. Yes.
Yeah. Ritvik sir. So thank you, children. Thank you, all these team of South City International, who really presented well, and we learned a lot. And I thank teachers of South City International, not just those who are here, but those who were the key person behind the curtain. They also, I know they were together to help groom them so well. So thank you to all the teachers, students of South City International, and right from the ISA coordinators to principals to directors, everybody. I must tell you that we are happy today that we have Dr. Devkant Joshi with us, who is the principal of our school, and he will be speaking to you after some time. And before I give the floor to him, I would also like to take this opportunity to show our thumbs up, high five, all kinds of acknowledgement to Dipti ma'am and the entire team of LRI teachers, LRI students who are here, who are working at the back, especially to our technical team, Akris Thakur and Sandesh. We believe in motivating them to take care of the technical part of the meetings like this also. We don't always rely on computer specialists and all that, because we believe that this is the way they learn. Okay, so thank you, Priyanka ma'am, Arjita ma'am, Ritvik ma'am, sir, and the children, and all our students from LRI for this wonderful presentation. So may I now welcome our principal, Dr. Devkant Joshi, to share a few words with us.